Hi guys, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Blessing here. In this video I am going to be showing you how to achieve DIY curly crochet wig. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. What we have here, we have woven brush, we have crochet needle, we have scissors, we have woven cap, we have Swiss lace, we have extension braid color 1. So what I do here, I will be wearing the dummy cap before start doing the crochets. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this pin to secure the wig down. Then I will be bringing out my Swiss lace wig and sew it down before I will now start doing the crochet, guys, like the way you are seeing it right now. So right now guys, I am cutting the excess slits out of the wig cap. Yeah, as you can see right now, please, if you're cutting the excess lace, you have to be careful. Okay guys. Yeah, I'm going to be bringing out my expression here. I just cut it, and this is the color we are going to be using, color 1. And one thing I like about this hair is so nice and perfect. Yeah, please guys, do me a favor to subscribe to this channel, please and please. Okay, so here we go for the crocheting, guys. The method I use in this crochet is different than, we have different methods to crochet. So I use a different method here to do the crocheting, guys. Just make sure you watch this video to the end, okay guys, so that you will know how I'm going to be ending the video. Okay guys. So this is the size we are going to be needing in this center, which is up. Yeah, this is the, and we are going to be doing the crochet different method, guys, not the way I started from the beginning. No, yeah, the methods we are going to be using here is it's just a different method to do the crochet, guys. So that is why I said for the first time that you have to sit there and watch this video to the end, so that you can be able to know how I start and how I will be ending the video. Okay, guys, please, guys, if this video is helpful to you guys, please don't fail to subscribe, share, like, leave your comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this video, guys. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, guys, that I didn't show you guys how I come to this up by crocheting the hair. So it's because I don't want the video to be too long, guys. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to do the ventinate, guys. So how I achieve this ventinate, so what I do, I just bring out my crochet needle and I just pick just 2 rows of the net, and the next thing I do, girls, I just pick just 4 strands of hair. So that is how I will be doing it step by step and step by step until I will now finish doing the ventinate, guys. I'm sorry, guys, please don't mind my English. Okay, so I was just trying to bring out the best to make sure that everything went well. So please don't mind my English, guys. Please, if this video is helpful to you guys, please share, like, subscribe to this channel, guys, because I believe that I will be giving you guys updates, posting video every week. Yeah, I promise you guys for that. Okay, guys, and I will be posting different kind of new hairstyle to you guys. Okay, and you guys, please don't fail to let me know the kind of style that I will be doing in the comment section, guys. Okay, guys, because you guys are my eyes. You guys now, you will not be my eyes. Oh, so please, guys, help your girl, blessing her to subscribe to this channel and share. Okay, guys, thank you very much for doing that. So guys, I just finished doing the crochet right now. So the next thing that I will be doing right now is how I will be doing the braids. Yeah, because you guys know that the hairstyle we are going to be doing here is DIY curly crochet wig. So what I will do here, bring out my canty condition and apply it on the hair. Okay, guys, because that is going to make the hair look soft. Yeah, so after that I bring out the comb it and comb it very well. Then I go for the braid, guys. Here we are. I'm doing the braiding right now. So that is how I will be doing the braid step by step. Yeah, after set and done, then I will now dip it into hot water. Yeah, guys, keep on watching, watch and watch. Okay, guys. Yeah. So guys, I will be leaving the link of the former video in the description box. Guys, please, if you watch this video, if this video is helpful to you, please help your girl go to the description box to watch the link that I'm going to be putting there, guys. Okay, as you're watching this video, please share and share this video now. You guys know that you are my eyes. Please share and subscribe. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to be dipping this hair into hot water, a boiling hot water. Then you leave it for about 5 minutes before you now bring it out and dry it with your towel. Then you will now start doing the unravel, guys. Okay, so this is how I achieve this DIY curly crochet wig. I hope this video is helpful to you guys, please, if this video is really helpful to you guys, don't fail to subscribe, share, like, leave your comment in the comment section, guys. Let me know what you think. So for the subscribers, I thank you guys for being there for me. I thank you guys for your supportive. I thank the new subscribers, and I thank upcoming subscribers. May God bless you guys for being there for me. Thank you.